This video will cover the wells page. The wells page is the default page that you come to when you first log into the app. What you have is split into two sections. You've got the main section at the top with various different dialogues, and below that you have a well listing. The well listing has a search bar as well, so if you're looking for a particular well, for example, you can type in and it will auto-filter immediately. Okay, if you want to return to your default listing, you can delete the search results. The wells themselves are color-coded, so green are active wells, red are standby, blue are upcoming, and yellow are TD'd wells. This will only display in your main well listing these statuses of wells, unless of course the user selects in the side menu the Show All Wells option. Once you refresh the well listing by dragging it and pinging it back up, it will have reloaded with all of your completed wells in addition, and any unknown wells, i.e. the wells that are offset wells within the database. Returning to the top section, you can see from this sort of 6 icons, there's actually 6 different windows. So you've got your main activity summary of all the recent status jobs. If you scroll to the right, if you have that Show All Wells option checked, it will show you all the well data in your database. If I uncheck it and reload the listing, it will just base it upon, again, the active, standby, upcoming and TD wells. Then we have a customer overview for those particular wells, states overview, number of rigs that are currently online. This will show you rigs that are pushing data exchange information back to your server, and separately wells that are pushing WITS data back to your server. And then we scroll to the right and we have the map as well. Okay, and this will allow us to view the locations of the wells. The map itself is toggleable from satellite to map view using the bottom right icon in the map itself. To get back off of the map, you have to swipe left with 2 fingers. Okay, if you use 1 finger, it will just navigate you around the map. 2 fingers swipe left, and it gets you back to the other dialogues. Within the well listing itself, there's a lot of information to be gleaned just from looking at it. So we've got the status of the well, we've got the name of the well, the operator, the job number, and what state that is in, and county. We've also got the status of whether it's got a data exchange, DX, or WITS data, WT, getting pushed. If either of those icons is green as opposed to red, it means it's currently getting data pushed to it. The site icon can be used in conjunction with the map, and for a corresponding well, you can tap on it and it will move the map to the location of that well. The last function of the wells listing is to actually open up a well's detailed data. So if you choose a particular well from the well listing and you just left tap it, and it will open up and load the well details section for that well. Okay, if you want to get back to the wells page, you hit the back arrow and it will get you back to the wells main page. So that concludes the wells page overview.